Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this given equation. We're given that 2 raised to the power of x plus 1 plus 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 20. Then we are looking for the value of x that will satisfy this equation. The first thing we need to do, if you look at the second term, we have 2 raised to the power of x minus 1. So we want to make this power to be in this form so that we can factor out 2 to the power of x minus 1 out. So we can rewrite this as what? 2 raised to the power of x, then 1, positive 1 can also be written as what? Negative 1 plus 2. So negative 1 plus 2 is the same as 1, so nothing changed. So plus then 2 raised to the power of x minus 1, which is going to be equal to 20. So the next thing we're going to recall is when we have a raised to the power of m plus n, this is the same as what? A raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n. So the first term is in this form. We have x minus 1 plus 2, m plus n. So we are going to transform into this form. So the base is a and here the base is 2. So this can also be written as what? 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 in form of this, then plus 2 raised to the power of x minus 1, which is equal to 20. Now what do you notice now? We have 2 to the power of x minus 1 as common, so we are going to factor out 2 raised to the power of x minus 1, then we open bracket. So in the first term, 2 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of x minus 1, it will cancel, so it will remain only 2 raised to the power of 2, then plus 2 to the power of x minus 1 divided 2 to the power of x minus 1 is going to be 1, then everything will be equal to 20. So the next thing we're going to do is to simplify inside this bracket. So we have 2 raised to the power of x minus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 is going to give us 4, then 4 plus 1 is going to be 5, everything will be equal to 20. So the next step is to divide both sides by this 5 in order to eliminate this 5. So we divide the left hand side by 5 and also the right hand side by 5 so that this 5 can cancel this 5. We are left with just 2 to the power of x minus 1 in the left hand side, which is going to be equal to 20 divided by 5 is going to give us 4. Now, what do you notice? Here with the base is 2 and here the base is 4. So we can make the base to be the same in order to equate the power. So the first term is what? 2 raised to the power of x minus 1, which is equal to 4 in index form to the base of 2 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 2. Now we have successfully made the base to be the same because 4 is the same as 2 raised to the power of 2. And recall, whenever the base is the same, the power is also the same. So now we're going to equate the power. So the first power is x minus 1, which is equal to the second power, which is 2. So the next thing we're going to do is to take this negative 1 to the right hand side of this equation. So x now will be equal to 2. And when we take this negative 1 to the other side, it becomes positive 1. So therefore, x now will be equal to 2 plus 1 is the same as 3. So therefore, 3 is the value of x that satisfies this equation. But for us to confirm that truly these 3 satisfy the equation, we are going to check by replacing the value of x as 3 into our original equation. And from the equation, we are given that 2 to the power of x plus 1 plus 2 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 20. So we are going to copy the original equation, which is what? 2 to the power of x plus 1, then plus 2 to the power of x minus 1, which is equal to 20. So at x equal to 3, we are going to substitute x as 3 here, whether the left hand side is going to be the same as the right hand side. So we replace 3 anywhere we see x. So the first term is going to be what? 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 1, then plus 2 raised to the power of, in place of x is going to be 3, then minus 1. So let's simplify this, whether it's going to give us the right hand side. This is going to be what? 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 is going to give us 4. Then plus 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is going to give us 2. So what is 2 raised to the power of 4? It implies 2 multiply itself 4 times, which is going to give us 16. Then plus 2 raised to the power of 2 is going to give us 4. And 16 plus 4 is going to give us 20. So therefore, the left hand side is the same as the right hand side at x equal to 3. So now we can say truly 3 is the value of x that satisfy this given equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.